major update on the FL5. Stay tuned. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for watching today. My gosh. Okay, I know I've said before that my car is in absolute pieces. This is a whole different level. Yeah, Rich at Doteki has been working tirelessly on my Type R, just like he did on the Supra. I'm gonna try and remember all of the different things that are happening with the car right now. I'm just gonna walk you through it because it's a lot. And it's still a super shop. I mean, look at this. Beautiful JDM right-hand drive MK4 Toyota Supra Turbo. Another MK5 being built.
Who is that? Who is that? Who is that?
Honestly, it kind of makes me miss my Supra already, I'm not gonna lie. And who knows, maybe we'll do another Supra build in the future. Here is my factory bumper. And that's just one of many pieces. Look at this. This is my entire subframe. The entire front subframe of the Type R. There is my Type R on the lift. And I panned to the car on the lift for a reason, because the entire freaking motor is out of the car. This is officially the first project car I've had where the entire motor was out of the car, and that's saying something, because I've been modding cars for a long time. I've never had a need to take the motor out for anything. So there's the transmission. This all came out initially to work on this guy. We just got this transmission back, and inside of here, can't see it, and I'm sorry, I got pictures for you, but I didn't get any video on it. But all brand new Graffe Gears, super strong, completely reinforced, straight cut. Actually, they're helical, right? They're helical, yeah, they're helical. Helical gear sets 3 through 6 and a final gear. And OS Giken LSD. So this thing is all the way built, all the way put back together. Everything is in spec. Everything is nice and clicky. I mean, everything is beautiful. That's finally going back in. Why this motor got pulled is because it now has, I don't know if it's on there already. Is the oil pump on there already? Okay, yeah, the oil pump might not be on there already, but there's a new 4-piston heavy-duty oil pump going on. If it isn't on there already, can't tell because it's covered in plastic. The valve cover is off. 4-piston heavy-duty head studs are going in. You see a sneak peek down here. The new oil pump sandwich plate, or not the oil pump sandwich plate, but the oil cooler. This is part of the oil cooler setup. That's a sandwich plate with a new oil filter. I mean, just a ton of stuff, and just a little sneak peek, not too quick a peek, or not too slow a peek, quick sneak peek of the dual oil cooler system. There's a lot of prototype stuff going on here, guys. So prototype dual oil cooler setup with Doteki using CSF dual pass oil coolers. Now that little quick shot of it, that's not all of it. And I'm not really going to show you all of it yet. Not really going to talk about all of it yet because it's not finalized. But just know, when it's all said and done, nothing like it on the market for public use. Nothing like it. But that's what we be doing. And brand new oil pan with Unit 2 fabrication oil pan baffle, properly welded in. And we went with a brand new oil pan because we didn't want to risk cleaning the oil pan that's already in the car and then welding onto that and the contact points not being like just mint and perfect. So yeah, almost forgot about that. And on top of all that, let me just get my list here. So 4-piston oil pump, 4-piston heavy-duty head studs, Graffe Gears 3 through 6 with a final drive, OS Giken LSD, Doteki / CSF Prototype Dual Oil Cool system, PRL rear motor mount. That's not here yet, but it's going in. Oh yeah, Prototype Doteki rear camber arms. That's not on the car yet either, but that's happening. Seibon THRW carbon fiber hood. You guys probably saw that on the lift there. We'll get a better look at that when the car is like down and on the ground. And Racebred Components, prototype splitter, and quick release bracket. That's not here yet as well. I have that at home. I'll probably be doing that install myself. That'll be a separate video. So holy moly. This is all in prep for GRIDLIFE, Laguna Seca, which is coming up towards the end of September. I was hoping to have the car done early enough to do a test day. Not going to happen. So my test day is going to be during GRIDLIFE. So fingers crossed, everything goes back together smoothly and there's no issues. And really there's a lot of unknowns. There's a lot of unknowns because a lot of this stuff won't actually be tested until that weekend. You know, I'll probably get a little bit of street driving in, but that's not really going to tell us the whole story. Figuring out where the suspension settings are going to be and whatnot. It's all going to be a bit of a guessing game or educated estimate is probably the best way to put it. But that's what's going on. I mean, the Supra is gone, and so the Type R is now becoming closer and closer to my dedicated track car. Actually, it's the only track car I got right now. So I'm still going to maintain the rear seats. I don't have a roll bar for the car yet. That is something I would like to get in the future. Not sure what direction I'm going to go with that yet. I would love it if we could do something like the Supra setup where the base plates were welded in, but you could still unbolt the cage and pull it out. That would mean that Rich would have to design something for this car, and I just don't know if the bandwidth is there right now because there's so much stuff going on, and Rich is literally like a one-man army. Just not enough time, not enough hours in the day and life to do all this. And the amount of work that he's put into my cars, I'm grateful for. But this is all, I'm showing you guys all of this as much as I can, step by step. I'm trying to be at the forefront of development for the FL5 Type R. There's a lot of stuff out there already. It doesn't mean it can't be better, and that's exactly what we're doing. We're not here to do the same things that other companies are doing. We're here to do better. That is the point, because I know the challenges with this platform just from the FK8, and we're not going to make, I don't want to say mistakes, because they aren't mistakes. They're good solutions, but I want to do it better. So anyways, let's take some other another look at the car, and then I will update you as we get closer to it being completed. Anyways, that is it for today's video, guys. Just want to give you a quick update on the Type R. Major work being done. Stay tuned, because I will give you another update when things are getting close to being wrapped up, if not already wrapped up. And I have another little twist and surprise for you guys. So that is it for today. Stay hungry, stay fast, stay tuned. I'm Michael Baxter, and I'm out.
Okay, I've been working like 3 jobs. Probably why I never see ya. Probably why I never have time for the fake friends that won't be ya. Oh God, I've been running now. Up early when the sun is out. Not selling out my own soul, but those real ones, they coming out. Oh, look who's reaching out. Old friends wanna feature now. They don't work, so they need it free. Ooh, you reaching out from the west side of that old town.